Hello student, how are you all? I hope that you are all good and taking a good care of your health and immunity. In today's library class, our topic is how to keep ourselves safe in the cyber world, some do's and don'ts for the school students. Here are some etiquette of internet. As you all aware that internet is the most interactive technological platform of this century and has become an integral part of our daily life. And in this COVID area, our dependency on the internet has extended a large extent due to our online classes, online shopping, and some other way. It is a learning and communication tool that offers us a wide range of opportunity. It is an invaluable source of knowledge and encourage our creativity, imagination. So we should be aware some internet ethic that involve our approach while using internet for different purpose. We should aware that we should always be honest and respect the right and property of others on the web. Cyber safety is the safe and responsible use of information communication technology. It is not just about keeping your information safe and secure, but also being responsible with that information, being respectable for others online and using a good etiquette. Here are some tips to keep yourself safe on the online. So we'll discuss some do's and don'ts while accessing content on the internet. So some do's which keep yourself safe on the internet. First of all, you should respect the privacy of others. Report the flag content that you find abusive or illegal. Other copyright restrictions while you are downloading any study material from the internet, including software, games, movie, etc. Always utilize alternative name as a user when you interact or chat with online. Never use your real name. Always use an alternative name, but it's keep yourself safe on the internet. Report online bullying immediately to the teachers and parents for someone whom you trust. If someone bullies you on the internet, so what you have to do, you have to report immediately to your teachers, parents, and the one whom you trust most. Always use a strong and unique password with the combination of number, uppercase, lowercase letter, and a special character for each account. So you have to be very careful while setting your password. It should be a very strong, including this special character. Keep your browser and operating system antivirus update. So time to time you have to update your antivirus to keep your system and browser safe for any virus attack. Obtain software from the trusted sources. Always scan file before opening them. So never use the pirated software. Always use the genuine software. And whenever you opening your file, keep always try to keep scan your all files. Lock your screen when you are finished using your computer, tablet, or phone. Further set to a lock automatically when it goes to sleep. Check to see if the web address begins with HTTP when you are signing on online. So you should be very conscious or aware that whenever you opening any web browser, so this URL address is always starting from HTTP. Make privacy setting in a social media account in a such a way that profile and your posts are visible to your close friend acquaintance. Never. And nowadays we all are using this social networking site like a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So we should be very aware that our account should be set like this, that our post should be visible to our friends only and then well-known person, not the all individual. Connect with a known individual on the social networking site. Be mindful of your digital reputation. Think before you post something embarrassing, harmful, and inappropriate. So always think while you posting on the social networking site. It should be very genuine information and not contain any harmful and inappropriate information on the social media. Report service provider immediately if the account is hacked. If possible, deactivate your account immediately. Now some don'ts. So here are some don't share your personal information like your real name, date of birth, mobile number, etc. unnecessary. If it's not necessary, do not share this personal information on the internet. Don't send your pictures to unknown person or share them on the social media. So you have to be very careful while posting your pictures on the internet. Don't open email and attachment from strangers. Do not respond to any suspicious email, instant messages, or web page asking for personal information, especially in case if uh, a mail is come from some fake bank site. So never open that mail that seems very suspicious, and never disclose your this bank account number and OTP, etc. Don't enter password when someone is sitting beside you, as they may see it. So you should be very careful when you log in into your account, whatever whether it's a social media account or your email account. Never enter your password in front of any stranger. Don't share your password with anyone. Don't save your username and password on the browser. Never save your password or username on the browser. Don't steal other information, and it is very necessary that you should also respect the privacy of other. Never try to steal the information of other. Don't access or use file without the permission of the owner. So these are some don't that you should be follow while accessing the information. These are the netiquette. Don't copy software which has a copyright without the permission of author. Nowadays, as you all aware, we are accessing lot of information and books and other e-content material. So never you copy that material without the prior permission of owner of that e-content. Don't bully other. It's also necessary that you should not bully other online by teasing, threatening, using rude and offensive language, making gauntry and hateful comment on the internet. Don't use symbols as password if it is shared with you. So you should be very careful that you should not share the password that if he shared with you. Not log in as someone else email IDs to read or mess up with their online profiles. Don't attempt to infect or in any way try to make someone else's computer unusable. So you should follow these while accessing the information on the internet. Don't meet unknown people alone. Always inform adult or friend. As you all know that we chat, we make friends on the social media site like Facebook, Instagram, but never meet that people alone, and always inform your elders and adults before you want to meet. Or first of all, we should avoid this kind of interaction and chat on online interaction, and never meet any unknown person on the behalf of that we whatever we interact on the internet. Don't open or download any attachment for any unknown source, as they may contain viruses. Again, important, we should not download attachment for any unknown sources, because they may contain viruses and it can harm your system or tablet or your handset. So if you want a further information, you may visit this site www.ncrt.nic.in or www.ceiet.nic.in. www.ictcurriculum.gov.in, and these are the some sites you may visit and gather more information on this topic. Thank you very much. I hope these information prove very useful for you, and you should follow do's and don'ts while accessing information on the internet, and always use netiquette in this digital or information area. Thank you so much for patiently listening.